In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a time and date limit in Google Tasks. Whether you're juggling multiple projects or just trying to keep track of your busy schedule, setting specific time and date limits can really help you stay organized and focused. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up your Gmail account. If you're already logged in, you can go right to your Gmail inbox. Once you're there, take a look over on the right hand side of the screen. You should see a small tasks icon. Go ahead and click that to open Google Tasks. This is where you can start adding your tasks and managing your to-do list. Now, with the task pane open, you're ready to add a new task. Click on the option that says add a task. At this point, you'll be prompted to add a title for your task. It's a good idea to make this title clear and descriptive, so it quickly communicates what the task is all about. Once you've entered your task title, you might want to add more details. This is particularly useful if your task requires various steps, or if there are specific things you don't want to forget. Click on details to add any extra notes or information that will help you complete your task effectively. After you've set up the title and details, the next step is to click on the calendar icon. This icon is usually located next to your task. Clicking here will allow you to set a specific date for your task. A calendar will pop up offering you the flexibility to choose any date you prefer. This feature is especially handy if you're planning ahead or need to organize tasks by particular deadlines. But wait, there's more. You can also set a specific time for your task. Once you've selected the date, look out for the option to set time. Click on this to pick a precise time when your task needs to be started or completed. Having a time in mind will help you prioritize more effectively and can assist you in managing your day better by breaking down tasks into manageable segments. Finally, after you've set the date and time, don't forget the most crucial part, clicking done. By doing this, you save all the information you've just inputted, ensuring that your task is now set with a specific time and date limit. This makes it easy to see at a glance what needs your immediate attention and what can be scheduled for later. And there you have it. You now know how to efficiently set time and date limits for your tasks in Google Tasks, giving you a more organized approach to managing your work or personal projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps make your task management more streamlined and effective.